boy.
Do you like the vacuum?
I like the vacuum.
Does it smell good?
Good boy.
Not as good as your bully stick, huh?
Oh, you good boy. Good boy.
Are you scared of it?
He's curious. You want to check it out?
Like it?
It's interesting. It's a vacuum.
No, you don't like it?
I like that better.
You hungry?
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy.